So I'm so excited to be here again, being able to do this and film for you guys. Today I did a tutorial on these lovely beachy waves. So to start off this look, you're going to need some texturizing spray. Any texturizing spray will work. My personal favorite is the Not Your Mother's Beach Spray. I absolutely love it. And a curling wand. Now you can use any one that has a bigger barrel. I personally love the Nume. It's the one that I've been using for about over a year now. And so this is just the one that I just always grab or gravitate towards. It curls really nicely. It's literally the best one, best curling iron that I've ever used. So any curling iron will do, but you want to make sure it's a thicker barrel. And yeah, let's get started. You're going to want to start off by grabbing sections of hair that are about this big. Then you're going to take your curling iron and you're going to wrap the hair, twist your wrist, wrap the hair, twist your wrist, wrap, twist, and leave about an inch off because that's what's going to give it the more wavy look versus a very tight curl. And drop the curl, scrunch it up, and let it fall. So it should look like that. And then you're going to go on to the next section. Again, grabbing about inch of hair. You want to have about 3 sections in each side of your hair. Measure, and again, wrap, twist, hold it. And let it fall. And then grab it again, and crunch it up. And onto. Then you want to wrap, twist, and hold it. And let it drop.